Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends. My name is Muhammad Ilham Jaya Kesuma. I am from C class by program studi Faculty of Teaching. Okay, now I want to read someone text on the title Hajj as a medium of communication and calling to Islam. Hajj is not just one of the pillars of Islam and a kind of immigration to Allah, the exalted, the unite Muslim from various parts of the world, nor is the objective behind prescribing it merely a form of adherence to the true religions. Instead, Hajj is also an important tool of Islamic dawah or innovation to Islam and a powerful medium of communication. Hajj is one of the means of communication specific to Islam. Hajj is the largest international conference on the face of the earth, the annual convention of faith and the greatest gathering of humanity ever. Muslims from every corner in the globe meet in Hajj. Allah the Exalted says what means and proclaim to the people the Hajj pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on very learned camel. They will come from every distant place. Quran 22:27. Allah the Almighty called for the greatest and largest gathering, the greatest conference, which is Hajj. Muslims from every place and on earth assemble in Makkah during Hajj. In respond to the call of Allah the Exalted, they migrate to their Lord with longing hearts, leaving their parents and family and devoting themselves solely to worship. They observe the rites that Allah the Exalted prescribed exactly as they are commanded without changing or neglecting any of them. Hajj has a great impact to the heart of Muslims. It solidifies their beliefs and generates faith and tranquility within their hearts. The Prophet Muhammad SAW performed Hajj in order to show Muslims to do ritual of Hajj and Umrah and underline the Hajj rites, which are considered a means of da'wah to Islam. The first means of da'wah in Hajj is the common chant with the pilgrims repeat with humble and submissive heart to their Lord. Among the manifestations of the Islamic da'wah that are associated with Hajj: first, circumambulation around the Kaabah 7 rounds. 2. Standing in Arafah, which can be likened to a great conference and convention of faith where Muslims from every corner of the globe meet. Third, talbiyah, saying labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Oh Lord, here I come to you, O Allah. Here I come to worship you. Here I am to respond to you. There is no partner with you. Verily praise, bounty, and dominion belong to you. There is no partner with you. and takbir, saying Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. These are supplication and collective chants that induce pilgrims. The repetition of these medios devotional chants serve as an effective media technique to instill the meanings of Tawhid or Islamic monotheism and obedience to Allah the Almighty deep within the heart. Fourth, throwing the pebbles is also an effective technique to deepen the concept of Satan's enmity against man. This ritual symbolically express man's repugnance for the devil. Sa'i 5 Sa'i between as-Safa and Marwa constitutes a wonderful arc that aims at enchaining Muslim commitment and adherence to their religions and their Lord. Hajj has a profound impact to Muslims who develop better and stronger devotion and adherence to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and commitment to his sunnah or tradition. Are there any benefits of Hajj aside from worship? There is no doubt that peaceful gathering in every time and place have their fruits that benefit humankind. Some of benefit of Hajj are engaging in trade and exchange of material goods, and as well as the exchange of information, spiritual material, and news. Muslims should seize this act of worship, utilize it properly, and make full use of it. Is in an opportunity that is offered to Muslims to benefit from this powerful Islamic means of communication. Perhaps that is what is meant by the verse the read. What's mean? That they may witness benefit from themselves. Quran 22:28. Okay, my friend, I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.